Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see little different sketches. Like here also we'll be learning the new tool. Like here I've chosen this exercise 19, this drawing. Here we'll be learning something new, and most of the people are afraid by just seeing the sketches. So since it looks very complex, but it is very easy. And here you learn a new tool called circular pattern, and let us see how to make. First we'll make this outer circles and then this line. This outer circle diameter, that is the radius, is r20, so diameter will be 40, and this is outer diameter is given as 55. At a the distance from this center to this center it is 100. Okay, now let us start. You will choose any of the plane for just for sketch practices. The more, if you try to solve the more parts, then you'll understand on which plane you have to draw the sketches. Okay, now let us start. And one more circle and one more circle. And now, as I told before, you can add all the, you can draw all the things and then you can add the dimensions, or simultaneously just by drawing itself there only you can add the dimensions, like I've shown in the previous video. You can do whichever the method you want, or whichever the method you feel easy. So I'm going to show in this video. We can add the dimensions later also. Now the outer part has been completed, inner is easy, so now we will just add the constraints and dimensions first. And this is 20, and this is 40, and this is 55, and the distance between these two is 100. Yeah, you can find it a little bit different drawing because it is not fully properly constrained. And here you don't need to add this circle again, the show it has dimension has 40 again, but we'll just choose these two, add a relationship called equal, and make sure that both are equal in diameter, and these two should be horizontal, so I'll make it as horizontal. And now we'll add the relationship for these two. It is tangent, and similarly for this it is tangent. Yeah, I'll just make sure it is back. It is coincident over here, so let us remove that coincident, and it is also horizontal, so we just need to remove this and just remove the coincident also. So yeah, now we'll try adding it. We'll just select both the things and add the tangents. Yeah, and similarly for this one, tangency is already enabled. This is the tangency symbol, so you can also see, yeah, tangency is there. And for this one also, you can see a tangency symbol. We'll just confirm it again. Yeah, tangent, it is there. And for this as well. Still it is not fully constrained, so we'll try to add the constraints now. And the distance between these, the circle center to this outermost circle, it is given as 45, and from this outer to inner it is 20, obviously, because that's the radius, and the diameter will be 40. So we don't need, it is not necessary that we have to give the dimension from this to this as 45 and from this to 20. directly we can give it makes it very simple and understood, because this circle is of 40, so this one is also 40, both will be the same. So from this to this it is 65. And now we'll draw the inner circle, and the diameter, and that this diameter is 30 mm. So 30, and as I told before, both are equal. Yeah, and I'll make sure that these two circles are concentric, and similarly for this also. And I'll draw a circle over here also. Actually, this is a construction circle, as they have shown. This has a construction circle upon which the four holes of diameter 12, of PCD of diameter 38. On pitch circle diameter, four holes of diameter 12 should be drawn. So PCD is 28, so diameter of this hole should be 38. And now we will draw circles, small circles. This is a whole circle for the hole. This is of 12 mm in dia. So here there are four holes on the circumference of circle diameter 38. So here we learn a new option called circular sketch pattern. And when you click on that and select this the point, you can, by default it is selected, you can just click on that and select the circle around which you need to create. And here it shows the instance. Suppose you want 6 and the spacing 360 degree. If you want 8, it will be equally distributed. If you want 5 also, it will be equally distributed. Now we want 4, so 4 and all around it. You can just have a preview and then click on OK. I'm not selected it, so yeah, I'll just select the circular sketch pattern and I'll just clear this. Yeah, and then click on OK. Actually this is not properly selected, so I'll just undo this, select this circle and circular sketch pattern. Yeah, and then now it is fully, and this is defined. And this, if after entering all the dimensions also, if you feel that if it is underdefined, and here it shows underdefined, we have already given all the sketches. Here you are having the option to fully define the sketch, and here you select all the entities. If you want, you can select each entity, or you can select this one entity and ask whether show it is what the relation it has not given. I'll just select all the entities and it will calculate based on that. It shows like, shows me this thing. It is, let me try deleting this. That is because some points will be there which are not properly defined, and if you feel that all the dimensions are given and the sketch does not move, that's okay. And you can see this moves. This is the problem. You can just identify it and see. You need to define this point. That is this point, that is the center point of this arc. That is why it is showing like that. Let us assume that it is, say, 60 mm. Yeah, and now okay, fine, and we'll just, we'll try again. Issues might persist if there are some points which are not properly defined, or if there is any point it shows like that. And now you see it is fully defined. Alright, right. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.